Now we have some really good things, really good quotes from 11th canto. This is the teachings of Lord Krishna to Uddhava. Just as Krishna taught Krishna taught Arjuna on the Battle of Kurukshetra, and that book is quite popular. What is the name of that book? Bhagavad Gita. The teachings of Lord Krishna to Arjuna. So there's something that how many disciples did Krishna have?
1, 2,
3, 4.
2.
You're counting, or you're just counting to 10, or what are you doing?
2.
How many disciples did Krishna have?
2.
Who were they?
Uddhava and Arjuna.
Uddhava and Arjuna. Correct. So now, in 11th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam, Gyara Skanda, this is the teachings of Krishna to Uddhava. So, this is one nice verse here. I'll read the English to save time. The association of children, wife, relatives, and friends is like the brief meeting of travelers in an inn. With each change of body, one is separated from all such associates, just as one loses the objects one possesses in a dream when the dream is over. So, now we are associated with many relatives, friends, and well-wishers, but as soon as we change our body, we will be immediately separated. One becomes attached to the sense gratification of one's dream. When you're in the dream, you're really attached. Oh, it's a beautiful woman. You're so attached that man even passes semen in the dream. Or you dream of some lady's dreaming some man is chasing her in a parking lot, and she's running, and she wakes up, she's all sweating. Her body's perspiring. So that much, the dream is so much real, so much experience is there. Or some lady or man maybe see a tiger. Oh, tiger! Oh. And they wake up and they're perspiring and they're crying. They're all white in color. Well, it's only a dream. This is everyone's experience. So this is daydream and night dream, as our Guru Maharaj used to say. The night dream is 6 hours. The daydream is 18. It's a longer dream, so there's more characters. There's more action. Action city. One becomes attached to the sense gratification of one's dream. Sometimes you're dreaming, then you wake up and say, well, that was good, let me go back to that. That was a good dream. She was nice. Then you go back, hey, where is she? You see some hobgoblin or something. You see one of Shiva's friends instead of that girl. Then you say, wait a minute.